Okay, so I'm starting from the basement. Basically, it's not very, but that's the staircase from the mechanical room. This is how it looks. And so this is the stairs. We have these steps. We tried to screw them down, but they're still squeaking. So there's these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. Another staircase. And then we have another one. And we have another one. Also not sure if you do railing. I need a quote on that. And a quote on the stairs. If you have any questions, let me know.